Hello everyone! We've got an unboxing today from the wonderful Nina of Donkey Journals Paperlove. She is on Instagram, so definitely go check her out. She's based in Norway, but she gets all kinds of goodies from all over the world. Germany, France, the States, which I'm in. It's really funny because I get things from my state, from her, that I can't find in my state, which are really, really cool. So here we go. Okay. And she is my second fastest shipping, you guys. And she has wonderful, rest is inside the front cover. Aw, thank you. That is so sweet. She has the most gorgeous ledgers and journals and things. I want to buy all of her books and ledgers. She has really cool invoices, just book pages. They are just wonderful, wonderfully yummy. Oh, it's this old man in the sea. When does our friend let me start over. The old man and the sea. When does our friend at last, he thought. Then he added, but only sometimes. And the sea, where there are our friends and our enemies. Bed, he thought again. Bed is my friend. It's the bed, he thought. Bed will be a great thing. It's comfortable to go to bed after a defeat. He was simple in heart and did not try to figure out when he was so humble. But he knew that he was at this point. And he knew that it was not disgraceful, so it did not damage his real self-esteem. Wonderful, thank you. But oh my goodness, she has some of the most gorgeous books and ledgers, book pages, labels. Oh my gosh, you guys really have to check her out. I want to get, when I get some extra money, I really want to, I hope she has a beautiful ledger, but she's got them from 1800s, 1900s, everything. Here is her cute little donkey. I just love it so much. It is so adorable. Madrid, Iowa. Oh, that's cool. Turn over the new leaf. Look at that awesome postcard. How fun is that? Oh, and here's some of those really cool labels. These are pharmacy labels. Saltpeter, acetone, turmeric. And these are new, guys, and they still have the gumming and everything. Fowler's Solution, flaxseed meal. She gets some really, really cool ones, so please do check her out. Her link will be down below. It is Donkey Journals _ Paperlove. And then she has a regular Donkey Journals account as well, as I think it's more of a backup or personal, or oh, these are super duper soft. I think these are German. Oh golly, wow. I wish you guys could feel these. These are like velvet paper. I'm not kidding you in the slightest. Look at that. I love the dainty blue flowers. I'll have to look up what it says, or if any of my, I think it's German. I'm not totally certain about the wordings here. It could be something else that I'm just not familiar with. I think it might be something else I'm just not familiar with because I'm not really recognizing any. It might be Finnish. So if any of my friends know what they say, please tell me. These are super, oh my gosh, really wonderful. Thank you. I don't know where to put it. I'll just kind of slide that over. There we go. But oh wow, this is an entomology book. It says Band 8, 1903. This is impressed in the spine. You can definitely tell it's all hand hammered. Look at the end design, the marbling, and it's so smooth. I could just stand here and just pet the book all day long. Wow. And oh, look at that. Oh, look at the end pages. This is so cool, you guys. And the pages are so smooth. They almost feel like satin. Just beautiful. And I love the script and the text in here. Look at the fonts. How pretty are those? Super wonderful. Thank you. I know this is a little one, but it's still a happy, perfect, beautiful one. So thank you so much, Nina. And everyone, if you could please like and subscribe, share to help us help my channel grow. There is a tip jar link down below if you are able to support in that way. If not, please comment with just a heart. Yay! Thank you. I love that all of you guys are here, and welcome to the new ones, and thank you for the older subscribers, and I will see you guys the next time. Craft happy, everyone. Bye!